I don't know how they do it.
All right. Ready? 3, 2, 1. I missed you dearly, but I was nearly there forever at last. Together, is our time fleeting? Is even meeting a healthy idea, or am I getting too near? So don't try to fight it. You're here for tonight, and I'll be waiting for you until we meet again.
I know it's scary, but don't be wary if we don't have that long. There's no wasted feeling wrong. This isn't the end, I'm your lifelong friend. Sure, it's been a while, but I'll be here when you smile.
So don't try to fight it. You're here for tonight, and I'll be waiting for you until we meet again. Would you mind staying?
It's getting late, but I will visit you soon.
So just try to get through, and don't try to fight it. You're here for tonight, and I'll be waiting for you until we meet again. I'll be waiting for you until we meet again.
That was good.
I think that works.
So good. Alright, sync clap. 3, 2, 1. That was terrible. What does Dodie normally do? Alright.
That works.
Alright, we should be sync. That'll work, right? Okay. No, she dies sooner. 3, 2.
For tonight, and I'll be waiting for you until we meet again. I'll be waiting for you until we meet again.
So I changed it up a little. I didn't mean to. I
We
think it
was
sounded better.
excited too.
Christina's thing and it'll thanks for that being
I
followers.
like that. I'm all...
Jube's Twitter.
Yeah, and that hurts. I'm old.
So we're
Heather,
recording.
we are old.
Quiet on set.
shirt's really cute, by the way. You gotta do the button up though. What do you the bottom one? Just go
The
Are we
bottom
bottom
button.
recording currently?
Oh, hello.
Are we recording currently?
Yeah.
Oh, cool. Hi, Jhube.